Hey y'all, today I'm going to show two methods of how to skate backwards, and the second method was actually one that someone taught me when the first method didn't work for me. By the end of this video, I promise, you will be skating backwards. Are you ready? So first, some tips really quick. Look behind you, okay? I see people all the time at the rink trying to learn how to skate backwards. Y'all never look back while trying to go backwards. Already unnatural for your body to be moving backwards. I mean, think about it. Do you walk backwards? No, you don't. So do yourself a favor and look back. Not just so you don't bump into anybody, of course, that too, but also it's all about that brain-body connection. If you're moving back, but your body doesn't know where you're going because you can't see, then you're already off balance. And number two, you've heard it before, bend your knees, keep your back straight, like you're sitting down in a chair, like act like you want to be here, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, now on to the first method. The most common method is doing backwards bubbles. So here you're pressing your feet on the inside edge on the sides of your big toe, and you're pushing back with all your might. Your toes are pointed towards each other like a triangle at the top of the bubble, and at the end of the bubble, your heels should meet with your toes pointed out. This move really awakens muscles that you've never used before, so be kind to yourself and be patient. It's very easy though once you get it. Very, very easy. Try using your arms to open up wide with your legs to make it easier, like a beautiful butterfly. If you're still having trouble, try going back and forth like this to use the momentum to make your body comfortable with the movement. Also, it may be easier if you make your bubble more narrow or more wide. I think that depends on the person. For me personally, it was easier going wider at first. So practice both ways to see which one you like better. At this point, you may be able to stop here and skate backwards. Do a half bubble with one foot while keeping the other foot straight. The foot that is straight has all of your weight on it, and the foot that is doing the bubble doesn't have much weight on it at all. As you can see, I'm leaning to the opposite side of the bubble to adequately support my weight. If you can't do this yet, fear not. Let's move on to method two. I'll get you a method two, don't worry. Method two, we'll call this the step method. Now this is a foolproof way of skating backwards. Again, shout out to T who taught me this when I could do backwards bubbles, but I could not for the life of me get that effortless sway like in the previous clip. In this method, you will literally just step both of your feet at an angle, a 45-degree angle to be exact. So 2 steps going to the right at a 45-degree angle, and then 2 steps going to the left at a 45-degree angle. Eventually, you stop stepping and start rolling. So instead of stepping to that angle, you naturally begin to roll at that angle. Yeah, pretty cool, right? And trust me, it feels easier every time you do it. So this is how I learned how to skate backwards. And to me, it's the best way. It's the easiest way. It makes the most sense. It's logical, all the things. So let me know in the comments if this was helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. The next tutorial will be on my favorite way to skate backwards, crossover backwards, cross pulls, whatever you want to call it. I'll be going over it. Happy skating. Bye. I want to learn how to skate backwards, and I want to learn how to turn around without stopping. And let me tell you, I learned both. I want to see. I'm going to show y'all the turnaround first. Y'all seen that, right? Y'all seen that? Now I'm going to show you the skating backwards part. Shout out to T at the skating rink. She taught me something quick that's gonna help me learn faster. So basically what she said is you're gonna step out and then you're gonna step out again. You're gonna step out, then you're gonna step out again. So you just step until you start rolling, and then like you eventually do that whole C thing. If you want something, go and get it. Because last year at this time, was I skating backwards? No, I wasn't. Was I turning around while moving? No, I wasn't.